Hi everyone, this is Sarah here. Yeah, I want to show you the card, the wedding card that I would like to enter into the Maurice 150 subby giveaway challenge. Here it is. I think her YouTube name is M78 LEJEUNE. I think M78 Legumes, something like that. I hope I pronounced correctly. Yeah, I'd like to enter this card into this giveaway challenge. Congratulations to her that she has got so many subbies right now. And here is the card that I've just made for a friend of mine that is going to get married in 2 weeks time, and the bride really likes purple color, so I've decided to make this wedding card in purple and lilac. So just a very simple wedding card that I've made for them, for the couple. So I just put the wedding day. I think this is a stick-on that I bought, and then these are all the roses, paper roses from, I think it's from Wild Ochre Craft, I'm not so sure. And I put paper doily here and some ribbon and lace, and then some pearls at the corner, and then there's the plain ribbon slider that I put here with the pink heart shaped ribbon at the corner here. And then I think that's it. Just a simple card to wish them a very happy and blissful marriage. So, and the inside is still empty, haven't done anything to it yet. So I hope you like it, and please let me know whether you like this card, and please comment on my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.